Tonight, I would like to cook a special dinner for us. First, I need to make sure we have all the ingredients.
Oh dear, we are missing several important ingredients. I cannot prepare tonight's dinner without them.
We need mushrooms, onions, garlic, tomatoes, and fresh bread. These ingredients are important for tonight's special dinner.
Grandpa, could you please buy everything on this list?
We need these ingredients before dinner tonight. Of course. I will find every ingredient on this list. Tonight's dinner will be It is a beautiful afternoon for a walk. I enjoy getting fresh air while completing important errands. Safety is important when walking in town. I always check the road carefully before crossing. I arrived at the grocery store safely. Now I need to find all the ingredients on Grandma's shopping list. I already found several ingredients for dinner. Fresh onions, tomatoes, and garlic are always useful in many recipes. I found most of the ingredients very quickly, but I still cannot find the mushrooms that Grandma needs. Excuse me, I am looking for fresh mushrooms for tonight's dinner. Could you please help me find them? Great! I finally found the mushrooms. Now I have one of the most important ingredients from Grandma's shopping list. Let me make sure I did not forget anything. A shopping list helps people stay organized and avoid mistakes. Oh no, I almost forgot the fresh bread. Grandma specifically asked me to bring a loaf of bread for dinner. Fresh bread smells wonderful. Now I finally have every ingredient needed for tonight's special dinner. I found every ingredient on Grandma's list. Now I am ready to pay and bring everything home. I completed my shopping mission successfully. I found every ingredient Grandma needed for tonight's dinner.
Wonderful. You remembered every ingredient on the list. Now we can prepare our special dinner together.
Today we learned useful grocery shopping and cooking vocabulary while preparing for a special dinner. Thank you for learning English with us.